Hi guys, Cooking with Dad here. Today we'll be making brown rice on the stovetop with mushrooms and spinach. Begin by adding 2.5 cups of broth to every cup of rice. Bring it to a boil, and when one comes to boil, reduce the heat and bring it to a simmer. Simmer for about 45 minutes on low. In the meantime, prepare the onions, the mushrooms, the spinach, and garlic if you're using. First, saute the onions until they're translucent. This will take about 3 or 4 minutes. And once it becomes translucent, you can add garlic, if you like garlic. And then, once that softens a little bit, you can add the mushrooms. Now saute the mushrooms until they're slightly brown on the outside and they start to release their juices. And at that point, you can cover and turn off the heat from the burner and just leave it set on a warm burner. Now you have to check to see if the rice is done. Right now you can see the rice is not done because water is still in the bottom of the rice. So cover it, check it again in a few minutes, and here you can see that all the water is gone. So this point the rice is done. Add the mushrooms, the salt, and the spinach. And then you can cover the rice and let it sit on the stove for a few minutes with the heat turned off. And this allows the rice to firm up and becomes also creamier. So after resting for about 5 or 10 minutes, you can then stir everything together and let the residual heat wilt the spinach. And once you've mixed it and the spinach is wilted, you check again for seasoning, and then you can serve it. That's all there is to it. So thanks for watching Cooking with Dad. Check out cookingwithdad.net.